Pwede ba natin ito Pwede naman natin ito i-transfer, no? Tapos ipapadala natin.
Oo.
Ano natin. Papadala natin. Kabayan! Kamusta naman ang buhay niyo dito sa Dubai?
No, we should speak in English, you know?
Yeah, we should speak in English. I'm going to send this to the Philippines.
Yeah,
To our
that's right.
mainland.
Yeah.
China.
We're here now in Dubai. We want you to know that this is the... to the water. Andun siya ko.
Yes, come on. Tour us here in IBN.
I would hi.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I see? Yeah, this is better, you know. Take a picture. Okay, sige, we go there. Or I should be staying here. Come on.
Huwag na. Let's go.
Pwede na ba? Pa-post ko lang. Paano ipa-post?